Hello and welcome to the Walking Talking topic on bounds and estimations, question number 7 with me, Mr. Barton. Let's finish off this topic on a high by getting ourselves the final 4 marks available. Firstly, 2 boxes are stacked on top of each other. The height of each box is 6 centimetres, measured to the nearest centimetre. Explain why these 2 boxes may not fit in a space that's 12 centimetres high. Well, we know from our work on bounds that 6 centimetres to the nearest centimetre may not be 6 centimetres at all. In fact, 6 centimetres to the nearest centimetre could go as high as 6.5 centimetres, because any higher than that will be rounded up to 7, or as low as 5.5 centimetres. Any lower than that will be rounded to 5. So I might write something like, the boxes, and you know my writing's horrendous, could be as tall as 6.5 centimetres. And then I'm going to say 2 lots of 6.5 is equal to 13 centimetres. 13 centimetres is definitely bigger than 12 centimetres. So the boxes might not fit. And I help myself to 2 marks by setting it out really clearly like that. If you want to impress them a little bit, you could put a little label to that and say that that's the upper bound, but I think you'll get the 2 marks anyway. Now what's going on here? Joseph works in a factory that makes boxes. Now this isn't actually anything to do with upper and lower bounds, but we might as well do it whilst we're here. The boxes are all cuboids. Each cuboid has dimensions A, B and C. Joseph's been asked by somebody to write a simplified expression for the total length of all the edges of the cuboids. Joseph writes down the expression 2a plus 3b plus 4c. Joseph's expression is incorrect. That's bad news for Joseph. What should the correct simplified expression be for the total length of all the edges? Well, you can see Joseph, he's been a bit quick here. He says there's 2a's, there's 3b's and 4c's. Let's see if we can count a little bit more carefully. And I'm going to come up with like a little coding system here. I'm going to start with all my A's, and every time I see a length that's A, because what I want is the total length of all the edges, I'm just going to put 1 flick for A. So there's an A. Now that side there opposite it, I'm pretty sure that's going to be an A as well. And if this side at the top is directly above it, that's going to be an A, and that's going to be an A as well. So I think straight away we've got 4 A's. What about our B's? Now this time I'm going to come up with a new system for this. I'm going to put circles. That's a B. That's a B. That's a B. That's a B. So I think we've got 4 B's as well. Now what am I going to do for my C's? I think I'll just do like 2 flicks this way. Not much imagination there. That's a C. That's a C. That's a C. And I'm pretty sure that's a C as well. So I think we've got 4 C's. So poor Joe, I don't know where he's got these from, but he's missed quite a few out, because I reckon it's 4A plus 4B plus 4C.